Hello you! I'm so excited to see that you're tuning in again for another Engel Völkers property tour. Today I'm at a villa with golf views in a gated community and walking distance to amenities. I bet I already got you all excited and you haven't even seen the house yet. Come on, let's go! Welcome to Casa Cherie, a house that has been recently constructed on a frontline golf plot in the heart of Aloha, walking distance from Aloha's best restaurants, supermarkets, and of course the golf course. Well, I think I've said enough. It's time to check it out inside. As you can see, this is a house where you feel at home almost instantly. I mean, look at this kitchen. I could stay here all day, even though I must admit my attention gets drawn to the outside area, where the open concept smoothly interacts the inside area with this beautiful outside terrace. And we're going outside, where I have a few surprises in store for you, like a jacuzzi, an outdoor kitchen, and a pool of almost 100 square meters. Is over 500 square meters built, and here we have 5 bedrooms plus an office space, and the great thing is all the bedrooms have their own ensuite bathrooms. In any case, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see each other again for another property tour. And well, for now, I'm just going to enjoy these marvelous outdoor surroundings, and I guess we'll see each other next time. Bye bye!